Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in previous videos we have derived the equation for EMF equation of DC machine and torque of DC machine. Now let us solve the numerical based on the same. Consider a numerical. A 4-pole wave-wound armature has 720 conductors and is rated at 1000 rpm. If the useful flux is 20 milliweber, calculate the generated voltage. If you read this numerical carefully, we have to find the value of generated voltage. Now, first step to solve any problem is to write whatever is the given data. So let's start to solve this numerical. Now the given data from the numerical is as follows. First, it is mentioned that our machine is a 4-pole machine. So P is equal to 4. Also, the winding of machine is wave wound. Now we have already studied that if the winding is wave wound, then A is equal to 2. Then it is mentioned that total number of conductors are 720. Also, the flux is mentioned to be 20 milliweber. Now, this is in milliweber. We have to convert it into Weber. So, we have to multiply 20 by 10 raised to minus 3. We have to find the value of generated voltage. Now, let's find the solution to this problem. We have already derived the formula for generated voltage in the previous video. The formula for the generated voltage can be written as E is equal to NP5Z divided by A. Now, from the numerical, already we have the values of P, we have the values of phi, we have the values of Z, and we have the value of A. Also, the speed is mentioned, but it is in RPM. So, let us convert this equation for the speed in RPM. So, the equation can be modified as. Now, let us substitute the values in the above equation. E is equal to 1000 RPM, that is our speed, into 4, that is number of poles, into 20 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is our flux, into 720, that is our conductor, divided by 60 into 2. After solving this, we get the value of EMF generated as E is equal to 480 volts. This is the answer of our problem. Always remember, when we solve any problem and get the value, the unit of that value is very important. So the unit of generated EMF is volts. Our answer is E is equal to 480 volts. Thank you friends for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.